Hi guys, today we will see how to resize the cursor on Mac. Before we start, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscription. Thanks! Well, as a first step, we will go to our desktop, then we will click on the Apple icon. Now click on System Settings. Click on Accessibility. Click on Display. Scroll down, and here we have pointer size. Simply, we will adjust to the size that we want. And to make it smaller, it is exactly the same. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate a like and a subscription if the video was useful. If not, leave me a comment. Thanks.